Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making high protein recipe, less than 10 minutes, less ingredients, yummy in taste. Oil 2 tablespoon, ginger chopped 2 tablespoon, garlic chopped half tablespoon, onion chopped 2 cups, saute for 2 minutes on medium heat, salt as per taste, red chili powder 1 tablespoon, chopped tomato 1 cup. Close the lid, cook on medium heat for 5 minutes. Eggs 3, red chili flakes half tablespoon. Cook for 5 minutes on medium heat. Now it's ready to serve. Add green chilies on top, optional. Enjoy with roti or rice. If you guys like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Press bell icon whenever I upload new video, get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya.